On our way from kilometer 2, once you go to the game park, immediately at kilometer 12, you saw a lot of work going on all through. So what we have done is we have engaged our contractor. We have come up with the timelines, but there are things that are beyond the contractor and ourselves, especially when it comes to land compensation. We have to handle compensation in a humane manner. We cannot, do things beyond ourselves that are not human. So we have to follow the law. And because of the law, if we delay, we will not delay beyond a month. I believe by June, latest, we'll have completed this project 100%. And that I can bear you witness by May. We'll be almost there if we unlock the few challenges that we have in compensation.
So, just a minute. You're trying to say that the May 31st deadline may move to June, and when you say June, do you mean the end of June?
As you have seen. And by the way, let me just give you a challenge. When you look at where we have come from kilometer 120, here we are 100 kilometers. Suswa is 100 kilometers. So we still have 20 kilometers that have been completed track late. What does that mean? It means from here to where we have come from almost, we have laid 85% of track. All the work, all the efforts and the machinery, we have moved those machines to kilometer 9 and 34. So assuming that all this effort is put on the other side, I expect by that 1st May, we'll have a complete project. But I'm saying, if we do not get a breakthrough by the National Land Commission does not pay the 5.1 kilometers, then we may not, Kenya Railways is not in control of that, and we'll have to wait or maybe buy more time. But I believe the government is working on this. So hopefully by that 1st May, that's our directive, and we honor that directive.
So once
during the construction of this,
I think you'll appreciate Sgr is a mega project, and we have a lot of activities that take place every day. One of the challenges is people sometimes do not understand the project. But what we have is we have a social wing in Kenya Railways that educates. We have a social wing that educates people, that we have gatherings, the national government, through the chiefs, sub-chiefs, commissioners, DOs, and all those people are involved in this project. So what happens is we have barasas, we have meetings, we have engagements that help us to communicate and educate people about the benefits of this project. Of course, if you look at this station where we are in Suswa, and looking at the road just besides us here, the connectivity between ourselves and this road is such a viable thing that you don't need to travel all the way to Nairobi to go to Mombasa. You just need to bring your vehicles here, park, and leave your vehicle here and go to Mombasa and come back. And then you go home where you come from. Especially if you are from Western Kenya, Rift Valley, you don't need to travel all the way to Nairobi.
Speaking of stations, once the 5 new stations...
As we talk, I think we have about 40,000 Kenyans working locally in this project. I may not give you the exact figures, but when you look at our stations and our operations, if the operator currently, we are doing around 1,000 local people, we hope to do around, maybe in this section alone, about 500 people along the stations, those who operate, those who maintain, those who repair, and those who are involved in locomotive repairs and maintenance, locomotive drivers, assistants, stewards. We will have a lot, that will be there. But I cannot say that is the actual number, but I expect about 500 people to be deployed maybe along this.
And in terms of harnessing local content, since you began up to now, what lessons have you learned? What maybe will you do differently for the next phase?
I think earlier we had a challenge, but currently, if you look at our statistics, we have already met our local content. Number one, talk of steel, cement, talk of the local supplies. what you see around here is, if we have talked around, you'll see a bit of mamas with kiosks. They cook for these people who are working this project. They supply water. They supply some of the local agricultural products, mayai, those kind of things. So we have met our local content for this project currently, and my analysis tells me we have actually gone beyond. We are almost 35% against 40%.
Okay, perhaps just as we finish.
I've repeated this, and one of the things I'm saying, National Land Commission is the one who compensates, but the government provides money to National Land Commission. The kilometers you have seen that are free are remaining for us to access the full entry of the 120 kilometers so that we can complete the project in good time. But disputes between owners of the land, which the National Land Commission handles and all that, we still have pending payments, and I've said it's about 7 billion that has not been paid. As you know, National Land commissioners left office by the end, last month by 19th. So, but we have the secretariat that is handling the payments, and the government is concerned about it. We expect that will be completed very soon.
From your discussion with NLC, did they perhaps give you a date as to when they will pay?
Not at all. That one I cannot tell you because, as I've said, National Land Commission, they have their own way of doing things. But what we know, the government provides funding, and yes, we hold them accountable because we have to complete the project. At the moment, because of the situation that is there, I cannot commit and say what they will do because we cannot say when there are no commissioners, they will be recruited at what rate and when they will be in the office. But we expect the government through the secretariat to help us and to unlock that situation.
Thank you.
Yes.
We have had a conversation at the wrong day. We are now here. It is basically, let's say 97% complete. We have put in even the scanners, they are there, and the electric works is complete, the signaling is complete, the communication is complete. The only thing is that it can only be tested together with the whole line. So we'll wait to complete the other works, and we are looking forward to, like we said, to get the remaining 5.1 kilometers of track works, and we hopefully then that we can finish this project as soon as possible. As you have seen, as when we are taking the ride here, we can basically say over 100 kilometers of track work is complete, and the remaining 20 work level, the effort is very high. The intention is to complete this work as fast as possible so that then this phase can be declared complete. So we thank you for showing up, and we do hope that you will be able to let the public know that good work has been happening. Kenya Railways has been doing wonderful work. The Chinese has been collaborating with Kenyans to do wonderful work. All the issues of environmental issues, we have made effort to take care of them. The social issues are many. We take cognizance of all of them and we address all of them. Every public person who comes to us for need for attention, we do attend, and we continue doing so until the project is crossed. So we thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to when this project will be completed. Thank you so much. Engineer Matu, maybe you can say something.
What has been happening. A lot of work has been put in by the Kenya Railways, by the government in general, and also by the contractor and consultant. We have been working more or less 24 hours to ensure that this work is complete. But as you have seen, we have faced some challenges. A number of challenges we have already overcome. That is why we have managed to get to 90%. Even before May 31st, we have managed to do that. But the small issues that are remaining, which are basically social in nature, are very critical for us. And we are hoping that the message that should go out there is to appeal to those stakeholders who own land, those people who are owning that land. They can give it to us so that we can be able to finalize the small sections that are remaining. As you saw, we have only 5.1 kilometers which have not been touched, because we do not enter anybody's land without following the law. Where we have entered, we have had agreement with the landowners whereby they have agreed to give us early entry, and they have been paid. But there are some problems which arose. You know, now the National Land Commission has gone home, but we believe that those who are remained at the commission should be able to handle the final payments that are going to come. Otherwise, I do appreciate the efforts made by Kenya Railways and the government in general, and for you media having come here, we do appreciate it very much.